Hey there gardening enthusiasts! Welcome back to Gardening Glory. Today, we have something truly special to talk about. We're diving into the world of Anthurium Villenaorum, a rare and stunning plant that's sure to turn heads in your indoor jungle. In this video, I'll be sharing all the essential care tips to help you keep your Anthurium Villenaorum happy and thriving. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on our plant adventures. Let's kick things off with a quick overview of the Anthurium Villenaorum. This gorgeous plant is a relatively rare find, known for its striking foliage. Its arrow-shaped leaves feature unique veining patterns that resemble delicate lace, making it a must-have for any plant collector. Tip 1. Lighting requirements. One of the most crucial aspects of Anthurium Villenaorum care is getting the lighting just right. These plants thrive in bright, indirect sunlight. Place them near a north or east-facing window, where they can enjoy gentle, filtered sunlight. Too much direct sun can scorch their delicate leaves, so be cautious. Tip 2. Temperature and humidity. Anthurium Villenaorums prefer warm and humid conditions. Keep your indoor temperature between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. To maintain the right humidity levels, consider using a humidity tray or a room humidifier. You can also mist your plant regularly, especially during dry seasons. Tip 3. Watering tips. When it comes to watering, Anthurium Villenaorums have specific needs. Allow the top inch of the soil to dry out before watering, and then water thoroughly, ensuring that excess water drains away. These plants dislike sitting in waterlogged soil, so a well-draining potting mix is essential. Tip 4. Potting mix, container, and repotting. Speaking of potting mix, Anthurium Villenaorums thrive in a mix that is well aerated and retains some moisture. A blend of peat moss, perlite, and orchid bark works well. Make sure your container has drainage holes to prevent overwatering. As your Anthurium Villenaorum grows, it may need repotting every 2 to 3 years to provide more space for its root system. Choose a slightly larger pot and refresh the potting mix during this process. Tip 5. Fertilizing routine. Fertilizing is vital for your Anthurium Villenaorum's growth. During the growing season, spring and summer, feed your plant with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks. However, reduce or stop fertilization during the dormant winter months. Tip 6. Pruning and maintenance. To keep your Anthurium Villenaorum looking its best, regularly remove any dead or yellowing leaves. Pruning helps redirect energy to healthy growth and maintains the plant's overall appearance. Tip 7. Pest and disease management. While these plants are generally resilient, they can still fall victim to pests like aphids and mealybugs. Regularly inspect your Anthurium Villenaorum and treat any infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. That's a wrap on our Anthurium Villenaorum care guide. With the right attention and love, you can keep this rare beauty thriving in your home. Remember to adapt these care tips to your specific growing conditions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your plant-loving friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more plant care guides and gardening adventures.